Little Mexico Campground. Where are we, guys?
Little Mexico Campground again.
We have the car packed to the brim because it's winter. We don't have the RV. We're staying in a cabin.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're really excited to be here. Check out the light show tonight. Everything is decorated, beautiful. Oh, look at this.
It has a Christmas tree. It has a white Christmas tree. Okay, let's go here.
Are you cold, Fawn?
What do you think? Come on. Oh, you missed that reaction.
Forget it.
What's going on? Wow, it feels great in here.
I love you, Little Mexico. Oh, I bring up me and I don't have my own. Will you bring up your me? I'm Arlo.
I know, what did you just say?
Nothing. Nothing.
He was saying, I love you, Little Mexico. Do you remember me? I'm Arlo.
Hey everyone, we are at Little Mexico Campground in Winfield, PA. We are here for the light show. We're really excited.
Yeah, so we want to show you the show, and we'll be back in a little bit with some information.
Hear the sleigh bells, it's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. The season's greetings, happy meetings. Oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Way up north, they're making toys for every little girl and boy. He's spreading joy all along the route, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time. Oh, can we give it one more time? Merry Christmas!
All right, so what did you think of the show?
I thought it was actually really great. I think my expectations were a little lower because it's a campground and this is only their second year.
Yeah.
But I was pleasantly surprised and blown away by how much effort they put into this light show. It probably took us like, we drove very slow because you were filming.
Yeah.
But we probably took like 45 minutes
Yeah.
to go through it.
Yeah.
So I really liked it. What did you think?
Yeah, I definitely feel like it was much nicer than what I thought. And I had a great time.
Yeah, we've been to a lot of light shows and we have even traveled an hour to go to one and spend a fortune to see the light show. So mostly local, but if you're willing to travel, like this is a great $5 a car.
Yeah.
Like that's a great price.
Yeah, and also, you know, Little Mexico, they have always been good supporters of our channel, friends of our channel. So we will personally appreciate it if you come over, enjoy their light show, and check them out.
Yeah, and if you can't make it here during the winter to see the light show, this campground does have a lot to offer.
Yeah.
During the camping season, there is a lot to keep busy. There's also a pretty cool area around. I mean, it's very secluded when you're here, but 15 minutes drive is Sealands Grove, Mifflinburg, a lot of cool places. So if you don't get here in the wintertime,
make sure you come next year. We actually have a nice campground review, which we're going to put in the description below. So yeah, one of our favorite places, and come check it out. So now we are going to go to, one more thing. The cabins here are beautiful.
They are.
Really well equipped. So this is a good campground. If you have family that don't have an RV and always want to come with you on a trip, this will be the right place to bring them.
Yeah, we've stayed in a lot of cabins, and these are the nicest that we've ever stayed in. We like it here. It's very cozy and nice.
Yeah.
So definitely recommend that.
So what are we doing now?
All right, so now we're going to a restaurant that we visited the last time we were here, the Rusty Rail. We had a great time there. So we're going to go back. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video and a little bit of our adventure.
Hey, what are you two doing?
Going to the playground.
Going to the playground, it's too cold.
Bye.
Okay, have fun. Mama and I are gonna stay inside. So they go out there and play. You're looking gorgeous.
Why don't you show them what you look like right now?
This is how I look like.
Hey guys, so me and Arlo are here. We're about to take a little walk. And it is freezing cold, isn't it, Arlo?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna go see some of the cool decorations. They have really cool decorations here. So we're gonna go take a little walk.
Last night, when we turned the lights off here in the cabin, coming here to the living room, it was just magical because we are surrounded by lights on every direction. So it was just really neat. That's good.
Now you sing the chorus, Arlo.
You can buy me a boat. You can buy me a truck to foot.
You can buy me a
Anyone tearing us down with some silver bullets.
So we found this cute little store. It's called Old Soul Trading Company, and if you like antiques or crafts or fun stuff like that, you will like this place. Is it fine, babe?
I am a huge fan of live edge like this. I'm in cloud 9 right now. I love this. Good morning, Bobby. Guess what?
What?
It snowed last night. Oh, you guys love. Oh, no, you're eating the snow.
Oh wait, look at this, look.
We have more content coming. We definitely have a lot of videos that we're planning to release this winter.
Yeah.
So you can prepare for your camping season of 2022. Hit the notification bell when we get stuff out because we can't release every week. We have full-time jobs and we have 2 kids that keep us very busy.
Yeah, so our schedule is not as regular as we want to. So if you hit the notification bell, every time we upload a video, you get the notification, you can go watch it and you don't miss out.
And we're trying to put as much out as we can, but we want to give you quality content. So do us a favor and hit that bell.
Yeah, all right, take care.
Oh, well, I don't have makeup, so forgive my face. Okay, so
Mama and I are gonna stay inside. So they go out there and play. You're looking gorgeous.
why don't you show them what you look like right now?
This is how I look like. Okay. And actually, it's a little too, you're looking a little overexposed. All right. Yeah, so we want to take you